What's up, familia? Today we need to talk about goal setting and the 5 mistakes that you might be making as you set New Year's resolutions, come up with a brand new business strategy, and all the things. And the first one is what I see most frequently. This is how most people set goals, right? Like they pull out pen and paper and they make a long list of all the things they want to accomplish. They close the paper and then they never look at it again. That is the biggest mistake that you can make as an entrepreneur when you're setting New Year's goals. And here's the thing. It is not enough to make just a long list of intentions. I never set intentions. I've shared this with you guys many times, and I think intentions are great, but they're literally just a wish list if you don't actually follow through on them. So if you just take out some time to write all the things that you want to accomplish in the new year, and then you don't actually look at it ever again, it just sits there collecting dust on your desk or, filed in some cabinet, you're not going to accomplish anything in the new year. That's how literal newbies do goal setting. And you're not a newbie, you're a professional. Guess what? This year requires us, okay? It is a requirement to level up in every aspect of your business, of your personal life, and every area of everything that you do, from your spiritual life to your health, to your personal growth, to your leadership, to your finances, to your ability to market and to grow a business. All of these things are so important, and goal setting is no exception. So you can't do what you did last year and expect the same results. You got to level up. This year demands it of us. If we're going to be up against the challenges that we're facing as small business owners, as entrepreneurs, as creators, we got to level up. And so I really want to implore that you actually find a goal setting system that's going to allow you to follow through on your goals, that's going to help you stick with what you intended to do, and more importantly, that you have a plan to make it happen. And that leads me to mistake number 2, and that's just setting goals. Setting lots of goals, setting a few goals, but just setting goals. It's not enough to just set a couple goals that you want to achieve, whether that's making 6 figures or breaking past 6 figures into 7 and 8 figures, or building a team, or spending more time with your family, or just working, the 4-hour work week. There's so many things that you might want to accomplish in the new year, but it's not enough just to have a list of goals. You got to create a plan, a strategy, some kind of action plan that you can follow throughout the year. And guess what? You got to check in on those goals. You got to make sure that what you're working on today connects with your goal for the week. And that goal for the week connects with your monthly goal. And that monthly goal connects with your quarterly and your annual goals. And everything that you work on in your business has to be optimized to really hit your goals. It's the only way to grow. And it's the only way to go from where you are right now to where you want to be, especially with all the challenges around us. Mistake number 3 is not changing your habits. It's just expecting that now you have goals and you have intentions and you're ready to go and you're motivated, but you don't change your habits. You don't actually have habits that support those goals. Let me tell you something. You can want to have a 6-pack abs, but if you don't make it a habit to wake up in the morning and work out, or do a workout in the evening, it's just not going to happen. So what are the habits that you need to implement that support the goals that you're setting? That is what you need to figure out. And it's so critical and so important. Again, goal setting is not enough. Having a plan is not enough. You got to have the habits that support the goals that you want to accomplish. And here's a little tip. Don't set 1,000 goals. Don't set 10 goals. You probably only want 3 to 5 goals, and that's actually researched by Dr. Gail Matthews. She has a really interesting research study around this. The more goals that you set, the more you spread yourself thin. So keep it simple and make sure that you're implementing simple habits that will help support your goals, whether that again is a fitness goal or a profit goal or a team building goal. Habits are the only way you're going to follow through and make it happen. Mistake number 3 is not leveling up your environment. Let me let you in on a secret that you probably already know. It's not a secret, right? The people that you associate yourself with, that's who you will become. Right? So I want you to take a hard look at your friends, at your relationships, at the people that you associate with in business and outside of business. Remember that as a leader, as an entrepreneur, as a creator, your business will only be as successful as you are. The more that you invest in your own personal growth, your own personal relationships, and the more that you set up your environment to support the goals that you have, the greater your chances of success. If you're not intentionally surrounding yourself with people that help you think bigger, that empower you, that encourage you, that lift you up, and that call you out on your ish when you need calling out, then you're doing yourself a massive disservice. No matter how many books you read or how many podcasts you listen to or how many videos like this one you watch, you will always stay stuck. You will have a ceiling of personal growth because the people around you will eventually drag you down. Now, I'm not saying that you have to go on a breakup spree with everyone in your life right now. What I do want you to do is really start looking at the relationships that you need to be intentionally building in your business and in your personal life. Do you have enough supportive friends that really understand your lifestyle and what you're trying to accomplish in life and don't make you feel guilty for every new milestone that you reach? Do your family members support you? And if they don't, then having some healthy distance, not necessarily breaking up with them, might be necessary. What about mentors or a community of people that truly support you? Whether you join an online community like the Business Lounge, or you find somewhere else where you feel truly connected to people who think like you and empower and challenge you to think bigger, please make it a point in the new year to find your people. You gotta level up every single year and start analyzing and thinking about how you're going to truly expand your circle of friends and expand your circle of influence. That includes mentors and coaches, and includes courses and workshops and books. All the information that you're taking in will only go so far if the people around you are constantly dragging you down or are not the best example. So my challenge to you is to make a list of key relationships that you need to develop in the new year so that you can level up your mindset, level up your skill set, and continue to grow and learn. And the final mistake is all around a personal growth plan. Most people don't have one. And that's a massive mistake because it means that all of the things that you want to accomplish are not supported by your own personal growth. Meaning, in order to reach a new level, you got to face a new devil, right? We all know the saying. And it's so critical that your mindset is altered, that you start incorporating new habits, that you systematically approach learning and growing and consuming information that is relevant to the stage of business that you're in right now. See, so few people actually understand the concept of personal growth and how to be intentional about reading the books they need to read and going through courses or working with mentors and coaches, or simply taking better care of their emotional life, of their spiritual life, and their physical health. Trust me, I'm speaking from experience here. I have made all of these mistakes, and I truly hope that you avoid them in the new year. So hey, let me know in the comment section below. What is your number one goal for 2021 or beyond if you're watching this video in the future? What is your number one goal for the new year? What's that big push that you're going to make as we enter a new chapter and a new season? I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And listen, I could talk about business and marketing all day long, but I want you to watch my other goal setting videos where I walk you through what I call our planning retreat. There's a bunch of behind the scenes of a couple years ago, and I think you're gonna love it. So it'll be linked somewhere here in the screen. Thank you so much for watching. Un beso. Bye for now.